Hey guys, so today I'm packing up my room. It's looking a bit empty now, or a bit of a mess, but I thought as I'm leaving university, well, not leaving university, as I'm leaving my accommodation, I thought I'd show you guys how I've been living for the past year. I live in East Slope Residences at the University of Sussex, and this is university managed halls. I thought this video would help if you guys are looking at accommodation for next year, or just quite entertaining type of video. So just a background of my accommodation, East Slope has been rebuilt in 2018 and it's honestly still going on. There's so much progression. So I think before it was awful. It was at the bottom of all the accommodation. They had a good bar apparently, but it's gone now. So yeah, I live with 11 people in a townhouse, and I don't have an ensuite, so I share with 2 other girls. But honestly, I'm in, if you have the chance to live in East Slope, you're blessed. You're so lucky. This was my first choice, and originally everyone that I lived with, we all thought it was going to be ensuite. So when I first found out there wasn't, I was really gutted. Honestly, really gutted. I don't know why, because I thought obviously you don't know the people that you're sharing with when you move in. I don't have an ensuite at home, so I don't know why I was being all a little princess about it. But honestly, I'm so happy we live in a townhouse. The flats have ensuites. They have lifts, ensuites, everything. But they pay a lot more, and I think next year the prices are going up even more from this term. I think we pay $146 a week now, which actually isn't the most expensive, even though it's brand new. But the ensuite ones cost about £10 a week more. I'm not sure, don't quote me on it. But yeah, if you are worried about not getting ensuite next year, or if you're joining university, don't worry, because it all ends up fine. It's fine. We have a huge kitchen and living room, which we're in all the time. We've got 2 sides. The way it's panned out is there's a boys' side and a girls' side. We didn't actually plan for it, but luckily, because all us girls are really clean, and the boys, no offence, they'll never watch this, but no offence, they're very messy. So, but yeah, because obviously it's brand new, all the kitchen's brand new, it's so nice. We have a reception, we have porters. It's honestly like a hotel. I can't believe how nice it is here. So yeah, reception, take all your mail. You have post boxes. You can go revise in reception and do work. Now I'm going to show you my room. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Also, just a heads up, I've just realised that because obviously I'm packing, I actually filmed the room tour about a month ago, but I never filmed the intro for it. So this may look a bit odd because I'm wearing a different outfit with different hair at the end of the video, and the lighting's so different and the quality. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. It is quite small, but I literally love it. So when you first come in, I've got my bed here, and I mean, it is a bit messy up there. But so my parents don't trust me with real plants because I always kill them. But I got fake plants from IKEA here, then Polaroids as decoration, and fairy lights. And literally fairy lights make rooms. I've got a motivational book that my sister got me, a card that my friend wrote me, and another fake plant, and this decoration which my mum got me a while ago. Then I have just a box of toiletries and stuff for the shower. I have a light here, which is so sick, and a book. Then I've got chargers, my phone, always keep lip balm above my bed. I bought this the other day from Urban Outfitters, and I mean it's quite cool, but I don't really get how it works, and it doesn't really turn off. I have some tape there, I don't really know why. A picture of me and my friends and sleeping tablets, because you know, uni life, don't sleep. This is my bedding. It's from Urban Outfitters, and I think that's from like Dunham Mill or something, and I'm not really sure where the pillows are from. I have this in the side of my thing, which is where I keep stuff for like if I'm gonna go home, and bags and a washing line. Not very exciting. Now over here I've got this bean bag, which I actually have never sat on, and then I've got my keyboard for when I pretend to myself that I'm actually gonna do some piano, and I've got a Santa hat on it, which we got from a night out. That's just a random bag. And then on my window I've got like an awful view. Now this is my desk area. So above the top I've literally got my Polaroid camera, some earrings, a cocktail shaker which I've never actually used, more fake plants, stationery equipment, that because doing your own laundry is not fun, but you gotta have the essentials, a card, more pictures, and I don't really know what this is. It's like the stuff that's meant to be downstairs, but I kind of can't fit it in my cupboard. Then I've got pictures and fairy lights, and over here I've got some notebooks. Then I've got all my skincare stuff, this mirror, and my purse, and then like toiletry stuff. And then down here, I don't know if I've ever used any of this, but it's like I have to try and keep organised and like clearly empty folders. And then here I've got there's makeup in there because like there's barely any storage, and random stuff in there. Then I've got my makeup and pens in little mason jars, and I've got whatever these are called, cotton wool. Then I've just, this is because I'm procrastinating doing work. Another mirror for makeup, and then notebook. I've got my speaker. This light came with it, and the chair. Then there's a bin there and laundry basket. Then I have this. I don't really know what it's for. I've got all my makeup in this top drawer, and my hair straighteners in that on top of it, and then bags and stuff in the other one. Then my wardrobe, I've had to put my gym stuff up there because like there is severe lack of space in here, like it's a mess. I've just got like all my clothes, and then more clothes down there, and more clothes and clothes down there, and shoes, and another mirror. Looks well cute. Then I have all my coats and everything on this hanger, which is overflowing, and I've got bags on there as well. And then more clothes. I've got my shoes at the bottom, and I don't really know what the rest of it is, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, gotta make deal with the situation. But yeah, that's literally like, there's not much to show, but that's my room. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know what videos you want to see in the future, and I'll see you soon.